Now, a troubled bridge over water. The construction project to replace a popular overpass is supposed to wrap up this month, 2 years later than originally promised. The Pinpoint News Tracker takes you to the County Street Bridge in Attleboro. That's where Eyewitness News reporter Nicola Stefan is with the Southeastern Massachusetts Mobile Newsroom.
After more than 5 years of construction, the bridge here on County Street in Attleboro is slated to open at the end of the month. But some business owners here tell us there will be no celebration, no ribbon cutting. Today, we found out why.
John's Automotive.
John Bredesen says his phone used to ring off the hook until these guys moved in down the street. This pounding has put a major drain in his once thriving Attleboro automotive business.
My business was growing by about 20% a year.
Until the County Street Bridge closed, that was more than 5 years ago. Today, a 3-mile detour is still in place.
It's ridiculous.
Bredesen estimates he has lost more than $25,000 since this construction started.
You might as well say peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. That's the only way you can compare it.
He credits faithful customers for simply keeping the doors open, but he says it will take much more than that to stay in business.
Oh, it's going to take at least 3 or 4 years to take and get back to where we were.
Just down the street, Eric Roy's business, Crafty Incorporated, has also been impacted.
3 years, even at that, we figured it was going to be a pain in the neck, but, you know, we had no clue.
With an end in sight, we wanted to know if there was a sense of relief.
No, I don't think there's any reason to celebrate. I mean, it should have been done a long time ago.
We've learned some business owners here on County Street are banding together to see if there are any options for them to recoup some of the finances lost. We are in Attleboro with the Mobile Newsroom. Nicole Estefan, Eyewitness News.
We asked the Department of Transportation why the project was delayed by 2 years. The agency tells us there were several factors. The main one was a fiber optic cable that was installed over the railroad between the bid date and the start of construction. It had to be relocated, and that was not included in the original scope of the project. Also, working near the railroad limits work time, and crews were slowed down by the availability of flaggers, which are required safety constraints for this type of work.
More